It's easy to believe you've seen something for all that it is.
One experience with a place, person, or thing can create a lasting impression. This week I managed to get my room done that's going to be my bathroom in the future. While I was doing that, Patrick was outside on his excavator digging out the artesian spring. I got the shell of the bathroom done, and then one day at work, my phone buzzed. "Wait till you see your holler," it said. And he wasn't kidding either. He had brought his excavator up and cleaned out around the bottom of my waterfall. While doing so, he had dug into the bank on the opposite side and realized that those were mine tailing. Long before Patrick or I, either one, were even a twinkle in Dad's eye, lead and zinc mining was booming around Flippin, Arkansas. Now, we had always known there was an old mine up at the top of the hill on Dad's property, but we never realized that what they had done with the tailings out of that mine was dumped them off into this old holler. Well, me and Patrick got to looking at it, and we figured out the bluff line went pretty far, and we decided to chase it. As Pat was clearing dirt away from the bluff line with his excavator, I hooked up a small gas-powered pump to feed the backside of the power washer. As I washed away dirt that had been dumped off of this bluff more than a century ago, I began to realize just how beautiful this really was. And then, as sometimes happens here in the rainforest we live in called North Central Arkansas, it became monsoon season all at once, and we quickly realized the power washer was in danger of becoming part of the landscape. Fortunately, though, Pat, once again, dirt guy from way back, just plucked it out of there and put her out of the way. In life, it's easy for me to look at something and think I've got a bead on it. Just take one look and feel like I've got it figured out. That's often not the case, though. A lot of times, there's a lot of beauty underneath, if we're just willing to dig a little bit for it.